Ecological roles and benefits of electric eel. Electric eels contribute to scientific understanding of bioelectricity, inspiring advances in technology, such as biobatteries and biomedical applications. Their unique ability to generate electricity has paved the way for biomimicry in energy and engineering fields. Electric eels help maintain balance in freshwater ecosystems by preying on a variety of fish and invertebrates, controlling their populations. Their presence and population trends can reflect changes in pollution, temperature, and habitat degradation. Decomposing electric eels release nutrients that fertilize plants and support algae and plankton growth, forming the food chain's base.